Hip-hop is dead. Jesus Lord, hip-hop is dead. Man. Take a moment to stop. Jesus Lord, hip-hop is dead.
I was 15 years old nang matutunan kong humawak ng lapis, papel, mikropono, natuto kong sumaba sa makipot na industriya ng hip-hop sa Pinas. Dito kailangan ng mukha mo at puso magsintigas, kundi ay lalamunin ka ng sistema. Punong-puno ng impluensya at puno ng pera. Sa karera ang makakalaban puro makapal. Ang pitaka kaya bago ka sumikat kay tagal. Nang hihintayin mo, gutong iindahin mo. May mag-aalok ng album pero dapat ibahin mo ang style. Dapat ba do it, forget your street cred. Sa panlasa ng tanga you will taste like sweet bread. You look like shit spread, you stink like malabanan in Philippines. Ang definition ng rap, patangahan at pahabaan ng pieces. Who can take the bitch to bed? So let's pray and let this fucking music bleed to death.
Hip-hop is dead. Jesus Lord, hip-hop is dead. Man. Take a moment to stop. Jesus Lord, hip-hop is dead.
Hip-hop is dead. Yan ang aking paningin at pananaw sa kultura na binaboy ng mga balasaw. Tumira ng panakaw. You bitches ain't fire. Look at me now. We're going the worldwide empire. I can spell you motherfuckers envy. I can see your pockets, fuck, it's empty. I can feel what you're thinking about me. What you're thinking about me is making you crazy. Fellas, kahit gaano pa kalalim ang rhymes na ibabato ninyo sa akin, tatapatan ko ng dimes at nyangaratan ko lang yan. Kahit gaano pa kahaba ang utak nyo at ang putik sa paa ay magsimbaba.
Hip-hop is something like soul, like food for people. So without it, we're gonna die. We're gonna die hungry as a motherfucker, you know what I'm saying?
Hip-hop is dead. Jesus Lord, hip-hop is dead. Man. Take a moment to stop.